I'm just about to enter the engine room. This is our first platform of the engine room, which is called boiler platform. Over here you can see the boiler. The over here the boiler burner is there. This is the boiler furnace. This is a pressure gauge, and this one is the control panel. Now I will go to the downstairs and I will show you the next platform over there. Wait for it. This is our steering gear room. This is our steering gear room platform. There you can see the arrangement is there. The steering gear, the radar and all is there. Everything is there, you can see. And these are some pumps and motors for winch and windlass. Now I'm entering the ECR, which is engine control room. These are the control panels, and this is our engine control room, where you can check the pressure and all remotely. Again, this is the control panel. You can operate pumps, everything from here remotely. These are the generator panels, 1, 2, 3. This is the telegraph. Now I will show you the engine room platform, ECR platform. This is the air bottles. There are 2 air bottles we have. This is the hydrofor tank. This is our hot fuel or gasket tank. This is our boiler feed pump. This is our distill tank. And this one is incinerator, and this is a service tank. HFO service tank means heavy fuel oil service tank. This is settling tank, and this is cylinder oil tank, cylinder oil storage tank. Now I will go to downstairs and show you something else about the engine room. I'm going downstairs now. So this is our STP, means sewage treatment plant. These are the control panel, and this is the hydraulic valves, and there are some tools, D-shackles on there. This is the exhaust valve, spare exhaust valve is there. There are some tools. This is a cooler. This is our crosshead lube oil pump. This is our freshwater generator, which makes fresh water from seawater. This one. And this is our purifiers. This is HFO purifier, means heavy oil purifier 1 and 2. We do have 2 HFO purifiers. All these are steam lines. Now this is our generator. This is our 3rd generator. I will show you the generator, how generator look like in the engine room. This is our 1st generator. This is our 2nd generator, and this is the alternator of that generator. We have 3 generators. These are the compressor which makes air, and this is our main engine platform. This is our 7-unit 2-stroke main engine. Now I will go downstairs and will show you the maneuvering platform. This is our maneuvering platform. It is a part of a main engine only. I will show you how how it looks like. Then I will go to the last platform, which is bottom platform. This is our manhole door of main engines. This is our lube oil cooler of main engine. This is our lube oil purifier. One is in work and one is in repair position. This is our lube oil transfer pump, and this is the flywheel, and which is connected to a shaft, and the shaft is connected to the propeller. And this is oily water separator. This is our primary tank. This is again the main engine part, the bottom part. These are the seawater service pump. This is our ballast pump, and this one is fire engine pump number 2. Like the engine room is look like this only. So thank you for watching this video.